Hello everyone, my name is Yutong Zou. Today I'm going to introduce the social-cultural theory in second language acquisition to you. I will explain it from 4 parts, including introduction of social-cultural theory, the application of it in SOA classes, the research method, and the conclusion. About the introduction, it involves 3 aspects: definition, course, and the importance of social-cultural theory. First, let's talk about the definition. Socio-cultural theory, initially proposed by Levi-Vygotsky in 1987, assumes that there is an intimate relationship between culture, society, and human mind. Moreover, when it comes to SOA, the theorists argue that all learning is first social and then individual. People construct what they learn in social interactions in their mind, and then gradually turn it into their own knowledge. It can be seen that the social-cultural theory puts more emphasis on the role of society in second language learning. Now, let's see the course of social-cultural theory. I will explain 3 main points: mediation, zone of proximal development, and scaffolding. First one, mediation. Vygotsky argues that as humans tend to rely on tools instead of acting directly on the physical activities, they also use symbolic tools to mediate the mental activities. One of the main symbolic tools is language. Language is the bridge between human social interactions. On the basis of language, people can absorb new knowledge and information from what others say, or express knowledge they have known to others through what they say, which can help them control their mental process. Second one is zone of proximal development. Vygotsky identifies 2 developmental levels. The first level is actual developmental level, in which learners can complete some difficult tasks independently, and the second level is potential developmental level, where learners need to do the tasks with others' assistance, and the ZPD refers to the distance between them. In ZPD, learners can perform at a higher level because of the support offered by others, and the emphasis in ZPD is on development and how learners co-construct knowledge based on their interactions. Third one, scaffolding, is the process of sportive dialogue that assists learning. Scaffolding literally means a temporary structure that is often put up in the process of construction. Once each part of the construction is finished, the scaffolding is taken down. Although it is temporary, it is still essential for language learning. And then, from the previous introduction of definition and course, we can realize the importance of social-cultural theory in SOA. By communicating with others, learners can acquire new knowledge, enhance their confidence, and improve their abilities. In addition, with the assistance of others, learners can continue to develop and reach the next level that they are difficult to reach by individual. Now let's move to the application of social-cultural theory in SOA. Socio-cultural theory can be applied in SOA class in many ways. Different from the traditional class, it needs to be learner-centered. Before the class, the learners need to have a general understanding of the knowledge mentioned in the class. During the class, they need to engage in some interactive activities with other peers and teachers, such as role-playing, topic debate, and group discussion, in which the second language goes through the steps of input, processing, storage, and output, so that learners can make development. Next is the third part, research method. In order to test whether social-cultural theory is really beneficial to learners' grammar learning, we can conduct a comparative research. The background of the research is in a Chinese high school, and the participants are 1 teacher and 2 classes, each with 30 students, and the gender ratio is 1:1. The research is carried out in 2 classes with and without social-cultural theory, and the grammar test with the same questions will be conducted 1 month later. The content of the test includes the cognition and use of different tenses. Through the comparison of test scores, we can conclude that social-cultural theory really has great benefits for language learning. In conclusion, based on the above introduction of social-cultural theory and analysis of its application, we can see that social-cultural theory, which emphasizes the role of society, is of great help to SLA. Therefore, in second language teaching and learning, teachers and learners can actively make use of it to improve learners' second language ability. And this is the references. Thank you for watching my presentation.